Colin here with Max Tie-Downs to show off our new tent stake fitting for motorsports awnings. There are a number of awning companies that produce these great motorsport awnings. In our case, we've got a Gold Rush trailer and an Aero Components awning, but none of the awning companies that we're aware of have anything in the way of a tie-down solution. Now folks, you're essentially dealing with one big piece of sailcloth. You had better properly restrain it. So what we've come up with here is a clever fitting that incorporates a hole for a 3/4 OD tent stake, which is what we have, a 1-inch OD tent stake, and then over here, a slot to connect it directly to our ratchet handle. It's as simple as dropping that tent stake through the appropriate hole diameter, pounding it in the ground, careful not to miss of course, and then connect that to the, oh come on there, direct hook ratchet, and take up the difference. Now, notice what we've got going on upstairs here. The end of this strap has got a rectangular slide adjuster sewn to it, a piece of our real heavy Cordura sleeve protector for long life, and that simply forms a slip knot or choker around that horizontal awning tube, and as you apply tension, chokes that tube down to the ratchet, just that easy. We're going to be selling these per rafter intersection, so however many down legs you have on your awning connecting to the ground is how many assemblies you'll need. That comes with the strap, that unique tent stake fitting, and the stake itself. For more information, 800-666-1586, or find us on the web at maxtiedowns.com. We appreciate your business.